Jai Srimanarayana. First sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan aham avyayam vivasvan manave praha manuhu ikshvakave abravit. Om. How much ever the technology advances, the Bhagavad Gita and its recommendations always stays updated and it is valid for everyone. Feel blessed and fortunate to be connected to this Bhagavad Gita. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall constantly remember that this Bhagavad Gita stays always updated and valid for everyone. O Srimanarayana, I shall always feel blessed and fortunate to be connected to this Bhagavad Gita. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukadamrutadravasanयुtam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Vasishta Maharshi gave a curse to Nimi. Then Nimi Maharaju also said to Vasishta Maharshi like this, O Vasishta Maharshi, you were greedy towards the dakshina what Indra is going to give you. So because of that, your the most righteous intellect is destroyed. So that is why you will also lose your body. Like that, Nimi Maharaju also gave a curse to Vasishta Maharshi. That is how Nimi lost his body. Vasishtha Maharshi also lost his body. Whereas Vasishtha Maharshi, though he did not have his body, through Urvasi he gave birth to Mitra Varuna. And then Nimi Maharaju's body, Gandhavastushu taddeham nidhaya munisattamaha samapte satrayage cha devan vuchuhu samagatan. Nimi Maharaju's body was kept safely by all those priests who were doing yajna. And in the end, all the devatas came over there. Then all the priests are praying devatas. Oh my dear devatas, if you are all really satisfied with this yajna, please give the body to Nimi Maharaju. Like that they are all praying. And then what happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 1st sloka. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan ahamavyayam vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave bravit. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavan ahamavyayam vivasvan manave praha manurikshvakave bravit. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.